Hello, this is question 3 on your mixed exercise 3 from year 13. You have to solve this equation where we have an absolute value. Remember, when we have an absolute value, we have two versions of this thing here, because this is a straight line. So if you think about just the representation, I'm going to do it quickly. So this question, we have negative y-intercept, a positive gradient, so it will be something like this. That line, if we represent 5x minus 2, will be something similar to this. If we do the absolute value of this function, we are going to have a function that is going to have a positive and a positive. Yeah, so this part has been mirrored here. The way of finding the equation of these two lines, one, so we're going to have this one, which is this one, and this branch is really the same, but negative. Yeah, so when we have to find the intersection between an absolute value function and, for example, in this case, another straight line, so I have another straight line, here is negative gradient, I don't know, something like this, for example, we are going to have 2 points of intersection, and we are going to find them doing the intersection of this line with the positive version and with the negative version. Yeah, so I just giving you the graphic explanation, but it's not that you have to do it that way. So we are going to do the intersection between the positive branch and the line, and then we are going to do the negative branch, so minus at the front of the bracket equal minus quarter x plus 8. Yeah, and then we will find 2 points of intersection and not one. We have 5x plus 1/4 of x is 21 quarters of x, and in the other side I have 8 plus 2 is going to be 10, which means x is 4 times 10, 40 divided by 21, and we can leave it like this perfectly. The other, I'm going to expand the bracket, so I have minus 5x plus 2 equal to minus 1/4 x plus 8. So numbers to the left, I have minus 8 plus 2 minus 6, and in this side I have 5 minus 1/4, which is 19 quarters x. And from here, x is going to be 4 times minus 6, which is minus 24 over 19. Yeah, and that's my other answer. Yeah, and that's why we have two answers, because really when we have an absolute value, we have two branches of this straight line. And that's all.